So this race you mentioned, when's it happening?
Hop in, I'll tell you. Drive to this location. We have to meet Racer Girl.
Who's Racer Girl?
She's Racer Girl.
Oh, gotcha.
So, Muscle, what made you decide not to take a dive like Frank wanted you?
Nothing. Holston went down too easy. Hell, I wouldn't be surprised if someone paid him to take a dive.
So, why stick around if Frank is out for your head? Why not just leave Vegas? Go somewhere nice, like Reno.
You don't run from a guy like Frank. Go to Bermuda, leave your vanderboard packing a submachine gun with your name on it. Besides, fuck him.
Now you're talking.